Chances are, if you're watching this video, it's because you're ready to take the next step in your Instagram relationship. And that's getting verified. So according to Instagram, getting verified requires that your account has been confirmed as an authentic presence of a public figure, celebrity, or global brand page. So in this video, we're gonna walk you through the steps so you can get your account verified. So the first and easiest step is to have a complete profile. So what Instagram means by this is you have to have a profile picture, a full bio, and at least one post. So next up, authenticity. Your account needs to be authentic. This means that it must represent a real person, registered business, or entity. So if you're applying for yourself, then you must have a government ID on hand that will prove that you're the authentic person who's trying to get the badge. There's a couple ways that you can check your authenticity. Start with Googling your name plus the company and see what comes up. If you don't find anything, it's likely that Instagram will reject you. But if you do find several cases where your name and your brand are showing together, then you'll be sure that you probably meet this requirement. Thirdly, your account needs to be notable. So Instagram says that in order for your account to be notable, it must represent a well-known, highly searched for person, brand, or entity. So Instagram reviews accounts that are featured in multiple news sources, and they don't consider anything paid or promotional credible sources. So we can assume that Instagram is searching for mentions of your name or your brand's name online and on online magazines. So if that is the case, you want to get good press mentions in newspapers, influential blog posts, and other media as proof of brand notoriety. So work on your marketing so that your brand gets a good volume of searches. Last up, your account needs to be unique. That means that only one account per person or business may be verified. However, there are exceptions for language and regional pages. So first, open your app on your mobile device and go to your profile. Then you're going to want to click on the button with 3 lines on the top right. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and click on Settings. And in Settings, click on the Account button. Then you're going to click on the option that says Request Verification. So once you've completed those steps, you're going to fill out the verification form. Your Instagram username will be automatically filled in, so only add your full name as it appears on your government ID. Next, you'll want to add the name that you're known by on your social media channels. And finally, you'll be able to add your category. A few predefined options are already there, such as music, entertainment, blogger/influencer, so select the one that best represents you. But if you're applying for a business verified badge, then select business, brand, or organization. Once you fill out the form, just click submit, and that's it. Instagram will take a few days to let you know whether or not your request was successful, but if not, don't worry, you can always reapply within 30 days. As far as Instagram goes, there's no limit to the number of submissions you can send as long as you've waited the required time. And that's it, you're all set and ready to get verified. If you need any more information, be sure to click on the link for the full written guide.